Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Looking to elevate your baking game without breaking the bank? Best affordable stand mixers offer powerful performance, versatile attachments, and sleek designs, making them perfect for home bakers who want professional results with ease and style in every recipe. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer is a versatile and reliable kitchen companion for home bakers. Equipped with a powerful 300-watt motor, it easily handles thick doughs and batters for bread, cookies, and cakes, providing consistent and efficient results. Its planetary mixing action ensures complete bowl coverage, rotating the beaters around the 4-quart stainless steel bowl so you achieve even, hands-free mixing every time. This mixer comes with all the essential attachments, including a dough hook, flat beater, wire whisk, and a splash guard, all of which are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. A helpful speed guide sits atop the unit, making it easy to select from 7 speeds, including a slow first speed ideal for kneading dough and minimizing splatter. The built-in top handle allows effortless lifting and moving of the mixer head when adding ingredients or swapping attachments, while also making storage simple. Affordable yet durable, the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer delivers many of the features found in higher-end models, making a perfect choice for bakers looking for a practical, compact, and capable stand mixer for everyday kitchen tasks.
Number 2. GE Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The GE Tilt Head Stand Mixer combines durability, power, and versatility for serious home bakers. Its robust, die-cast metal construction and 350-watt motor can handle large batches of dough or batter with ease, making it ideal for holiday baking or family gatherings. The tilt head design provides easy access to the bowl and ingredients, while the auto-lock feature ensures stability during use. The mixer offers 7 speed settings and an accessory port compatible with third-party attachments, allowing it to function as a multi-purpose kitchen tool. Its generous 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl can hold up to 9 batches of cookie dough, while the included flat beater, dough hook, wire whisk, and pouring shield make it ready for a variety of recipes. The 59-point mixing cycle delivers consistent and thorough ingredient blending, ensuring no lumps or unmixed portions remain. Sleek, durable, and easy to operate, the GE Tilt Head Stand Mixer is perfect for bakers who need a reliable and powerful appliance capable of handling everyday kitchen tasks and special baking projects alike.
Number 3. VIVOHOME 6-Speed Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The VIVOHOME 6-Speed Tilt Head Stand Mixer is a high-performance appliance designed for efficiency and convenience in the kitchen. Powered by a 660-watt motor, it can quickly knead dough, mix batters, and complete other food preparation tasks faster than manual mixing. The large 7.5-quart stainless steel bowl is durable, food-safe, and polished for easy cleaning, making it suitable for cakes, bread, cookies, or even salad dressings. Its tilt head design and splash shield allow for effortless installation, removal, and monitoring of ingredients, while the pulse function and the 6-speed settings offer precise control for various recipes. The mixer comes with 3 multi-purpose attachments, a dough hook, wire whisk, and mixing beater that cover a wide range of baking and cooking needs. Although the attachments are not dishwasher safe, they are designed for durability and easy handling. Stylish and functional, this stand mixer also makes a thoughtful gift for bakers or cooking enthusiasts. Whether for everyday use or special occasions, the VIVOHOME Tilt Head Stand Mixer provides powerful performance, versatility, and reliable results at an affordable price.
Number 4. Frigidaire Retro Stainless Stand Mixer. The Frigidaire Retro Stainless Stand Mixer blends style, power, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for home bakers. Its 300-watt motor efficiently handles thick batters and doughs, from cookies and cupcakes to pizza and bread doughs. The planetary mixing action rotates the beaters around the 4-quart stainless steel bowl,
ensuring complete coverage and consistent mixing without the need for manual scraping. The mixer also features a 33-degree adjustable arm lift, a 4.5-liter brushed stainless steel bowl, and a low-noise pure copper AC motor, making it both durable and quiet. Combining retro aesthetics with modern functionality, the Frigidaire stand mixer is an affordable, reliable, and stylish appliance that can handle everyday mixing tasks while adding a charming look to any kitchen countertop. Number 5. Dash Everyday Stand Mixer. The Dash Everyday Stand Mixer is a compact, lightweight, and versatile appliance perfect for small kitchens or first-time bakers. Weighing under 5 pounds and standing just 10.4 inches tall, it easily fits under cabinets and takes up minimal counter space, making it ideal for apartments or limited kitchen areas. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with a 250-watt motor and 6 speed settings, allowing you to whip, beat, or knead dough evenly and efficiently. Suitable for a wide range of tasks, from frosting and meringue to doughs and creamy dressings, the Dash stand mixer is a practical and affordable option for everyday use. Its portability, ease of use, and efficient performance make it a convenient and dependable choice for home bakers seeking an entry-level mixer without sacrificing quality. No matter your baking experience or kitchen size, these affordable stand mixers make preparing breads, cakes, cookies, and more easier and more enjoyable. Each model combines power, versatility, and convenience, helping you achieve professional results at home without breaking the bank. Choose the one that fits your needs and elevate your baking game today.